Alesund, Norway. We're gonna go ahead and explore the city of Alesund, Art Noveau. So let's go ahead and check it out. So you could buy some bus tours, train tours. But we're gonna do a train tour. So over here in Alesund, you can also book a tour at Trollstigen, which is the land of the trolls. Ah, more trolls. This is the city train sightseeing tour, which takes you all over Alesund, and I got it at the gates and I only paid $35 per person. It also does take you to the top of the Uxla mountain. The whole tour takes approximately about an hour and a half, and in about 35 minutes we get to the Uxla mountain. There's the Norwegian Prima. Oh, looks like you got a restaurant. The city of Alesund is fairly new, built in the early 1800s. Most of the building was built after the 1904 Alesund fire. Top of Mount Uxla. Magnificent view. The city is composed of a couple islands connected by bridges that some people even call it the Venice of the Scandinavian North. Wow. Oh, excuse me. You could walk this trail up there to basically get the nicest view of the city. Look at this beautiful view of the city. Whew, made it to the top.
They're tied up at the top, but then like so flary at the bottom, like.
Whew. There's a statue of Christopher Randers. Christopher Randers was a famous Norwegian poet. Now it's time to head back to the train and see the rest of the city. Oh, this is the Art Noveau style.
The hotels are like that. Oh, this is where I park my yacht.
So there was a little walkway where people could actually park their boats there. So there was kayak and paddleboard rentals that you're able to do run here.
Nice little walk. Oh, look at it, a Viking ship. The Vikings arrived. The Vikings arrived.
So this was a very good replica of a Viking ship.
It's true.
And this is the Art Noveau architecture set. Oh, you got a Viking ship. Alright, you already know what to do. Give it a like and subscribe for more videos out of Norway.